Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just really wanted to come on camera and talk to you guys. I know it's a little different than what I normally do, location's a little different. I'm actually sitting on my back porch, but I just really wanted to take the time to come on here and talk to you guys about some things that I really am wanting to do for as my channel, branding, all of that. So as you know, I've been on YouTube for a while. I actually love doing YouTube. It's something that I really do enjoy doing, but I work full-time, so it's kind of hard to actually put out videos, put out beauty videos, content, and I just thought of a way. Like, I was sitting there thinking of ideas on how I could go about it, given that this is something that I do enjoy doing, and that it's something that really makes me happy to do, because I enjoy it. When you look at jobs, you want to be at a job that you enjoy doing. And me personally, I'm to the point that I really want to focus more on future plans, future goals, and and if YouTube is a part of that as a full-time job, I really want to be happy with, giving you guys what you really want, and one of the ways that I figured that I could, possibly, do more for my channel is actually vlogging on my main channel. A few of you guys who followed me for a few years probably already knew that I had a vlogging channel, actual channel. It was named BB's Life. I still listed in the description box, but I don't post on that channel. It's been about 2 years since I actually posted on that channel. One, giving that I was in a whole nother relationship at that time, and I just didn't want my channels to be based off who I was with, and stuff like that. Just being honest. My beauty channel is something that I am able to maintain to a point, and actually going back and forth between the two channels, so it just came a little difficult, because me trying to put up a video for my main channel would run with me trying to upload for my vlog channel. It was just a whole lot of mess. And then if you think about it, I'm the only person who's actually recording, editing, uploading, so it just became a lot, especially when I still work full-time, and at that time, 2 years ago, I was working 2 and 3 jobs, so it was very difficult. Now I'm to the point that I'm working 1 full-time job. I'm blessed to have the opportunity to do that, but I really wanted to develop more content for my channel, because like I said, my channel is something that I really do enjoy doing. I cherish it. It's like my little baby in development. Especially on the branding standard. I really want to expand and make good business deals as time progresses, and I would love to bring you guys along. So basically, with the video that I'm basically trying to talk to you guys, I just really want to incorporate more to my main channel. Basically have my main channel be my only channel. I wanted to, of course, still do beauty, because I'm a beauty girl, but I also want to incorporate more lifestyle. You see me outside of the beauty aspect, see me out and about, see where my son have games, see just the lifestyle part of it, see how I cook for my son. I want to incorporate more cooking on my channel. I love cooking. It's one of the things that I've been doing since I was probably like 5. I remember I could cook before I knew how to read, so it's something that I'm very interested in. I love the art of cooking. I love cooking, and then the fact that I've been on and off this whole little weight loss journey, I want to incorporate some of that on here too. I went into more detail about that more on my social media, but I don't have no problem with doing a fitness video, trying to keep the weight off. So if you would like to see videos like that, just let me know. I'm all for different types of videos at this point. I really want to broaden my resume for YouTube, I guess. So yeah, so I just really want to bring more to my channel and give you guys, more content and make it fair for all of us. I don't want to feel like I'm not doing what I could be doing for you guys. So if it's more of you want to see me make dinner or a recipe that, you know, I use, then I mean, I don't have a problem with making those type of videos. It's a few videos I do want to go ahead and record, so because it's like videos that I just am so excited to record, especially pertaining to food and recipes. I really enjoy that. Me going shopping with my son, me spending time with my son, taking my son somewhere. I really would like to, you know, vlog those adventures. My son is about to be 9 years old in 6 months, so he's to the point that social media plays a lot in these kids like everyday life. So I really want to incorporate more of that. Jaden's to the point that he wants his own YouTube channel, and I'm just like, no, I'm not ready for you to have your own YouTube channel, but mommy don't mind, you know, putting you on, giving you the camera if you would like to see my baby a little bit more. So yeah, I'm very sheltering of him. Like, I really don't like him to be out and about doing so much, because I feel like kids should be kids. But I have no problem with that, because that's something that he does want to do, and I have no problem letting you see my little baby, my little young man, you know. And I also want to, you know, incorporate my friends, who is like family to me. You know, they mean so much to me. They are basically my family, you know. Let y'all see them, see how we get down, you know, and just enjoy life, you know. And I really want to take you guys on that trip with me. I know, like, it's just, I just feel like I just want more, you know, out of my channel, and I want to give you guys more, especially the people who's been riding with me, you know, for the past few years. I'm at over 1,000 subscribers, you know, so I haven't really lost any subscribers, even with me not being so consistent. But I really want to build more on my channel. But I want to thank each and every one of you guys who's been riding with me for the longest, you know. And if you one of the OG subscribers, please leave your name down below. I would like to, you know, personally thank you guys for rocking with me. So yeah, I just wanted to come on camera to let you guys know some of my thoughts on what I thought I could do more on my channel. And if you have any suggestions or anything, please leave that down below in the comment section. I know I do have some of my subscribers who follow me on Instagram as well. They do personally DM me. I have no problem with that. I do get back to a lot of DMs. But for the most part, I just really want to take you guys along, you know. And if I could, I would give each and every one of you a big old hug, because I just really love you guys, and I really think that, you know, I really consider y'all family. So yeah, you guys, so I just wanted to get on camera and talk to you guys for a little bit, see what I want to do for my channel. And yeah, I'm looking forward to my birthday's coming up in a few days on August 31st, so I'll probably vlog a little bit, you know. But yeah, my anniversary is coming up, so I'm really excited about that as well. So yeah, so if you don't follow me on social media, I will leave that down below. All my social media, I will leave that down below in the description box. Follow me, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I would love to have you guys as part of the family, and we can, you know, rock together, you know. And I just really want to see us all succeed at the end of the day. And yeah, you guys, so yeah, don't forget, you guys, subscribe, like, comment your comments down below, your suggestions, all of that good stuff. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.